Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Here comes another interesting program which is about Women Career Retention Program. Recent days, several companies have started coming up or introducing Women Retention Program. So it's a good time. Whoever want to come back to career, please utilize this opportunity and start applying. So now I have listed here five different companies. So there are a few companies which I have already spoken about, like Cognizant ThoughtWorks, but Cognizant Internship Program is still open and it is open till December 2021. ThoughtWorks every year they do it for four times, four quarters. So this is the last quarter they are going to conduct this Swapasi program for 2021. So even if you miss this chance, you can continue or you can try out the option in 2022 for ThoughtWorks. And there are few more companies like KPMG and L&T. This is for IT as well as non-IT professions. So whoever in non-IT professions also wants to come back to career, they can try the last two companies, KPMG and L&T. Then TCS Rebegin has also introduced this new program. We all know Tata company has Tata SCIP, which is a very good opportunity. They have started providing since past 2 years. So this Rebegin is another opportunity explicitly for IT professions. Now I will explore with you all one by one about the opportunities, whatever I have listed here. So first company is TCS Rebegin program. And what is Rebegin? It's nothing but it's going to provide an opportunity for talented women professions to come back and rebegin their career to achieve their individual or true potential. Now, who is eligible for this program? This is open for women professions across India, minimum 2 continuous years of IT experience, and you should have taken a long break due to family or personal reasons. And multiple career breaks are also allowed, but mention the reason for the break. And this is also applicable for women who are currently working. So, in case if you want to switch over to another company, you can also utilize this opportunity, rebegin in TCS. And their hiring and selection process, it is according to TCS hiring policy and it's purely merit based selection process. And for steps to register, you need to go through iBegin website and register your profile. After that, you can explore the opportunities by visiting tcs.com career rebegin jobs. You can search based on the job title, city, function, experience and apply to the matching job. The job ID will be listed with job description. You can choose that and you can apply. Alternatively, you can send your resume to career at tcs.com with rebegin in the subject line to apply. And also you can specify the job ID. So you need to go through the career section of TCS and explore the job opportunities, job ID along with job description. Then you can choose the job ID and mention it along with this email ID. Suppose in case if you don't find any suitable job for your skills, you can still keep checking in the TCS career portal because they will be keep updating on a regular interval. So if you have any queries, send email to careers at tcs.com with the subject line rebegin query. And the type of employment availability is like based on the job. So it is a full-time or part-time opportunities. Both are available. So there is no last date for this opportunity. As and when there are opportunities, this career portal site will be showing the job openings. So you can go and check in the regular interval. And so there is no last date for this application. So here is the link. I will provide it in the description as well. The second program is Cognizant Returnship Program. And about this returnship, this again help women professions who are on career break to re-enter into the workforce after an extended career break. This is something unique and CTS is going to provide 12-week paid experience or paid internship program for talented tech professions and you will get an opportunity to update your skills with a supportive work environment, real-time projects and cutting-edge technologies. So these are some of the benefits which you will be going through in the 12-week paid experience internship program. And who is eligible for this program? You should have minimum of 5 years experience, at least 2 years of career break. And these are the areas of expertise people they are looking for. So you need to choose whichever area you have worked previously. So these are different areas I have listed here. So you can mention up to 5 of your skills relevant to the area of expertise, whatever you have chosen. Suppose you have chosen application development, you mention your skills, Java, Python, something like that. So you can mention up to 5 of your skills. This is the link to apply, and the last date is December 31st, 2021. And in case if you have any queries about this program, you can contact talentattractteam@cognizant.com. Third one is ThoughtWorks Vapasi 2021. About Vapasi, already they have completed 17 batch of this Vapasi program. 250 plus women have been benefited through this program, and this program is totally free, and candidate will receive a certified technical training program in programming and testing areas. So mainly they provide this training for sharpen their skills, and this is going to be the 18th batch, and which will happen virtual or online due to COVID-19 situation. So this is the fourth edition in 2021, and mainly they are conducting this program for two different streams. One is quality analyst, another one is developer stream. So for quality analyst session, it's going to be hosted by Coimbatore, Bangalore, Gurgaon offices, and developer session will be hosted by Chennai and Pune offices. So now eligibility criteria for QA, you need to have minimum of 1 year and maximum 8 years career break, 4 plus years of testing experience prior to your break, and you should have hands-on experience in both automation and manual testing, and also working on OOPS or scripting language is preferred, like for example Java or Python, and good understanding of defect management and scenario creation. And the training for this QA is going to be like 3 weeks, and this is starting from November 8th to November 26th. The timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And eligibility criteria for developers, you should have minimum 1 year to maximum 8 years break, and 3 plus years of software developer experience prior to your break, and you should have basic understanding of OOPS or programming language preferable. And the duration for this training will be 5 weeks, and November 8th to now December 10th 2021, and the timing will be 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. After the training, only the selected candidates will be given an opportunity for 3 to 6 months internship in the selected location. Based on your performance, you will also receive full-time job in the selected location of ThoughtWorks. But you can also free to apply to any other organization once you complete the training, because you are going to get a certification after you complete the training. So prerequisite for this training, you should have laptop or desktop with stable internet connection, and also you should have a webcam. Last date to register is October 20th 2021, and the link to apply is given here, and there is a FAQ section also. You can completely go through the different questions whatever candidates have been posted, so you can just check out those options also there. And next one is KPMG Women Returning Program. So about KPMG Returning Program, their main motto is engage, enable, empower women transitioning back to their careers. So some of the opportunities they have listed in their website. So you can just go through. I have just chosen some of the IT related opportunities here, but you can check out the complete list of non-IT as well in their website. And the location is across India. Here is the link for applying. And the last program is L&T Renew program. So the qualification for this is BE BTech or MBA LLB first class or CA ICW cleared in maximum 2 attempts. And these are some of the departments which I have listed here, and you can choose a department and you can check the relevant job openings under each of the department, and you can apply for the relevant position according to your requirements. And the selection process is going to be like, initially you need to register your profile, you need to attach your copy of resume in the following website, and then they will do the screening. Once you are shortlisted for the screening according to the department requirements, there will be a telephonic interview. Once the telephonic interview is over, final interview with the hiring manager and department head based on the previous round selection. So this is going to be all over India, and the link is here. You can go and explore through this link. So these are the wonderful opportunities. Don't miss these opportunities in case if you want to come back and start working back. And also you can share it with your friends whoever is looking for women career comeback. I will come back with another interesting topic. Until then, it's me, Suchi, signing off from you all. Bye bye. Take care.